Cabernet. This is plum. There's the plum colors right in there. It's there. Boy, that purple really makes the blue come out too. Eggplant. Royal purple. Orchid. Lilac. Light slate. You see these slate colors. So pretty. Piles falling over. There's so many coordinates. This is slate. And then indigo. Let's get these back to Mary Beth real quick. Got them a little out of order. It's okay. So that's your beloved Rayon Challis. This next one is a bubble crepe. Bubble crepe is a woven, but it has some spandex in it, which in my experience, anytime they put spandex in a woven, they get about a 10 to 20% stretch one way out of it. This one's pretty stable. So bubble crepe has a texture, whoops. It has a texture like Liverpool. See if you can see it, like where the light's hitting it over in here. And I'll hold it up. When I take it off, I'll hold it up to the screen so you can see it a little better. But bubble crepe is pretty popular in ready-to-wear garments. It makes a gorgeous blouse. See how it's got great drape. It's very light. And this one, even though you can see a little bit, if I hold it close to the mannequin, you can see a little bit of the writing under there. But if you were to make it, wear it as a blouse, you would not be able to see through it. So, so this is called Sunday in Paris because it's just very whimsical. Thanks. Just felt like it was something you could wear once you've been in Paris all week. This is what you throw on Sunday. To go sightseeing. Or drink coffee. Or what is that called that they drink?
You're thinking of espresso.
Espresso. And little, eat your little, I don't know, French baguette. This is white, fresh poly. Mustard is the best match for the yellow. It's mustard brush poly. And this is tangerine. We've got these over here, these flowers. Have some really nice deep oranges and reds in them. Which brings us to lipstick red. It's a good match. Chambray. Light slate. Slate. Sage. think sage is one of my favorite colors with this fabric. Look at the leaves. And it's such a light, soft color. It goes really nicely with it. Everyday Olive, which goes with everything. Moss. And then you could throw this with stripes. Chambray. And dark chambray. Okay. You can see that. Very nice and drapey, so let's see if I can hold that up for you. Get a good look at the texture on there. It's a very light and summery fabric, and it is a poly spandex. There you go. Okay. It's me again. There we go. This is our slide by today. It's Impetuous Double Brush Poly. Turn on our slide by graphic. So the color of the picture is the color of the fabric. It's not showing up as bright. It is really a complete goldenrod type color. Let's see if I can play with this. Nope, that's not going to work. So I'll show you some coordinates for it. Thank you. This is ivory. I'm trying to remember, what is that called? This is mocha. The deal with the slide by is it's $5 a yard, limited to 4 yards per customer, so more people can get the opportunity to, this is herb, get the opportunity to buy it, and it matches this color in here. It's not quite showing up the right color on screen. Okay, and 4 yards would fit in a PFRE. So you get the best shipping price. Everyday Olive and moss. And if you want to get crazy, you could match it with the mustard plaid single brush poly. That's kind of cute together.
I think it's real cute.
Yeah. You do a little skirt.
You could put it with the olive plaid too.
No, you can't put it
Oh,
there.
did you try it?
Yeah, no, it's too. The olive plaid is not the right color, green. Okay, so this is our slide by. Let's see here. Move this away. Okay, so here's your stretch. It's nice and stretchy, super, super soft. And that is the Impetuous. Yeah. Okay. So, just a reminder to go to, let's see if I can get my thing working here. Go sign up for the Serger contest. And don't forget about the sew-along going on this week. You still have until Sunday to participate. And then I think that was all I had for you guys. Don't forget to post your Me Made May picks. We give away a $20 gift certificate every day. If you participate all week long and you post every day, Monday through Friday, you're eligible for our $75 weekly gift certificate. And if you're hanging in there all month long strong and you're posting every day, you're eligible for the grand prize, which is the winner's choice of a serger, a cover stitch, or a vinyl cutting machine. It's the winner's choice. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next Wednesday, and I'll have all these fabrics up live in about 10 minutes. All right, thanks for joining us.